In this video, we will be achieving a lavender color using white paint and purple rain from the semi-permanent pigment color collection by Influance. The first step of this process is to lift the hair. Today, we will be using the Influence Professional Powder Lightener. This product is great for creating optimal highlights, streaks, and lightening effects. The volume you use will depend on the hair's texture and natural color. Influence has 8, 20, 30, and 40 volume developer, so you can definitely find the volume right for your guest hair. You will need professional powder lightener, 30 volume developer, a whisk, color brush applicator, non-metallic mixing bowl, a scale, and protective gloves. After putting on my gloves, I am going to start by mixing 1 heaped spoon of Influence Professional Powder Lightener with 2 ounces of Influence Professional Cream Developer 30 volume in a non-metallic mixing bowl. Now I'm going to stir until the mixture reaches a smooth, creamy consistency. Now it is time to apply the color to the hair. Be sure to apply the creamy mixture to dry, unshampooed hair. I am going to start in the back and work my way towards the top. Move through the entire head, applying an even layer to each section. The powder lightener is blue base, so it tones as it lifts, which minimizes the brassiness and eliminates the need for toning. Leave on at the processing time needed to achieve your color. To allow the process to continue working, you can use a plastic cap on your guest. Do not exceed 50 minutes. Once desired level of lift has been achieved, you should rinse the hair using lukewarm water. After all of the product has been removed from the hair, you will now apply Influence Post-Chemical Infuser. Leave on for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes has passed, do not rinse. Next, you will wash and condition using the Honey Almond Shampoo and Multiplex Conditioner by Influence. After you shampoo and condition, you will then blow dry the hair. It is best to apply color to clean, dry hair. Now we will use the semi-permanent pigmented colors white paint and purple rain. Some benefits of the semi-permanent colors are, they are enriched with macadamia oil, adds shine, adds protection. You will need to use your gloves and mixing bowl again to combine the colors. After you have achieved your desired color, you will then apply the color with your application brush. Distribute evenly throughout the hair. The semi-permanent colors are a direct dye, which means you do not have to mix with a developer. Process for 20 minutes. Rinse, follow with Influence Honey Almond Color Protecting Shampoo and Honey Almond Conditioner. And that's it. Style is desired. To learn more about our products and to purchase yours today, visit www.influencehaircare.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.